We're no strangers to Bissell vacuums in this household. We have a tiny carpet spot cleaner, and now it's on to the real thing. This vacuum cleaner is really, really nice because it is 200 watts of power. I literally just took it out of the box, tested it out a little bit, and I was blown away by its power, really. Also blown away by how it looks. Look at this like powdered coating color. This is the blue. Comes in other colors as well, but man, this is gorgeous. So I think it's important to state that, you know, we often don't really notice that vacuum cleaners are going to be standing around or being charged or, you know, being used a lot, and you want them, anyway, I do. I want them to look a little nicer than just these clunky, you know, metal things, right? So this is the actual unit itself, and all the attachments we'll get through, but I want to show you something that is super important based on why it's so powerful. It's because it's got a special seal right here. So the canister here, where all of the vacuum power, all of the filtration goes, is entirely sealed. So obviously, once you seal something and you push air through it, you're gonna really multiply that power. So how you open it up is literally just like this right here. One button opens the whole thing out, and this is why it is so well sealed. Look at this. That right there, there's only one way you can actually lock it in, and once it's locked in, it is completely sealed. So when you open it up, obviously, this would be the canister where it gets all the dust, all the debris, all the pet hair, and then the rest here could also have debris and pet hair, but you can wash this off. You can actually, you know, let it air dry and then reuse it, obviously. But yeah, super simple to, so let me just put it back. There you go. And I love the fact that they added this little, kind of this little latch here so you can actually pull it out really easily. And the way you put it back in is very simple. Start with the front, notch the front in, and then literally push down and you're good to go. Very simple also for usage. There is one power button and plus and minus 3 levels right here. So if I power it on, I'm on mid. I'm gonna go full blast and back to the normal, you know, the first level. Really, and I don't know if you heard that, but that suction just literally went like, because I had just opened the canister and kind of like resealed itself. So it's really cool. So the other thing that I really like is that this thing is self-standing, and I'll show that to you in just a second. But because it is self-standing, you could charge it right here. It comes with a charger. This is where you would charge it if it is self-standing, and it does come also with the bracket to attach to the wall. But if you don't want to do that, maybe you have multiple batteries, you can actually take the battery out and you can plug that battery in as well, and then charge that one, use another one if you had another one or the need for another one. I think that's cool. It's kind of like that option that most vacuums don't give you. So that is the brain of the operation right here. And we're going to talk about this really nice tangle-free brush right here. This brush system, and this is why it is self-standing, this is super, super strong. Nothing flimsy, nothing just tubular. It is literally solid. And if you look at the brushes here, really nice that it is solid plastic plus the little brush. So that solid plastic right there is tangle-free. But I mean, we all say tangle-free. Maybe there's gonna be like long hairs in there or pet hairs that might actually get caught. Well, super simple, look at this. One little press up and you take this out and you can actually just clean it up and away you go. I think that makes it super simple, and look at that, so simple to go back and forth. No screws, no tools, no nothing at all. So that's really great. We're gonna go back also. This is what they also talk about when talking about this vacuum. It's like from floor to ceiling. Why? Because yes, floor, and yes, you can actually, you know, use this, and I will show that to you in just a sec, but also you can use it floor to ceiling. So you've got this little add-on right here. This thing is great for little carpet spot cleaning, but especially upholstery and your furniture, piece of furniture that do need to get vacuumed. This is fantastic. This literally pulls off everything. And then my favorite tool, the crevice tool, that you can use just like this. So a very, very portable unit. So if you want to do maybe the window sills and things like that, simple. But you can also use it with the extender and the pull extender. And I will show you the pull. I'm just going to stand up right here. Look at this. So easy to actually, one button, take that out, bring it back in. And the same thing for this right here. And I'm locked in. And like I explained earlier, this is a self-standing unit. As you can see, super strong, but there is a little button right here that lets you lets you bring it down. So you need to make sure that that button is clicked on, and then you know that your vacuum is not going to just topple down. And when you are using it with the, and I'm going to show you this in just a second, when you are using it like this, check this out. I'm going to turn it on. Look at that light. Look how smooth that is. Super, super nice. So the light, sometimes people go like, why would I want a light on a end of a vacuum? Well, guess what? You will see that dust. You will see those particles way better with that light. And it is very, very powerful. And it's nice to have, like, maybe you're going into a closet in some place or area that's not as well lit. Well, you do have that light option right there. Bissell, like I said, makes incredible products, and this one is literally no exception.